You ever felt like you're staring at your screen, getting nowhere with code, or stuck in an endless loop of job applications and rejections? You're not alone. But here's the thing, whether you're coding, job hunting, or dealing with work stress, the struggle is part of the process. And trust me, if you stick with it, the payoff is worth it. I've been coding for over 8 years now. It landed me my first job, opened doors I never thought possible, and gave me the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. But let's be real, it hasn't always been smooth sailing. There were days I felt like giving up, projects that frustrated me to no end, and interviews that knocked my confidence. But through all that, I found ways to keep going and even enjoy the process. And here's a little secret, if you're not using AI to your advantage, it might just replace you. But don't worry. We'll get into how to use AI to make coding, job hunting, and work itself more rewarding. In this video, I'll share practical tips to make every coding session feels less like a grind, how to stay patient and motivated during tough interviews, and how to deal with those inevitable work frustrations. Plus, I'll show you how to gamify your learning process and build habits that will make you unstoppable. The power of patience in coding and interviews. Let's start with something that doesn't get enough attention: patience. When you're coding or preparing for an interview, it's easy to get frustrated. Maybe you have been debugging the same issue for hours, or you have updated dozens of jobs with no callbacks. You start wondering, is this even worth it? I've been there. I remember staring at code that made zero sense. Felt like I'll never get it, where I froze, stumbled over my words, or just didn't know the answer. It felt like everyone else was moving ahead while I was stuck. But here's what I learned. The people who succeed aren't always the smartest. They are the ones who don't give up. Every rejection, every bug, every frustrating moment is a lesson. The key is to keep going. Interviews, for example, are like mini battles. You might not win every time, but with each one you learn, improve, and get closer to your goal. And trust me, life won't always be like this. There will be ups and downs, but those struggles, they are shaping you into someone who can handle whatever comes next. Now, let's make this journey fun. You know how video games are addictive? They tap into progression and rewards to keep you hooked. You beat one level, get a reward, and suddenly you're motivated to tackle the next challenge. Why not do the same with the coding? Break your coding goals into small, achievable milestones. Instead of thinking, I need to build this entire app, focus on one feature at a time. Every time you complete a milestone, you get that dopamine hit of accomplishment. Finished a tough coding session? Treat yourself to your favorite meal, binge watch a show, or hang out with friends. This trains your brain to associate coding with positive feelings. Over time, you'll find yourself wanting to code, not because you have to, but because it feels good. Master AI before it replaces you. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, AI. We are living in a time where AI is moving fast, and if you are not using it to your advantage, you are missing out. But here's the good news. If you master AI, you'll be unstoppable. I use AI tools to speed up debugging, generate code snippets, and even prepare for interviews. Stuck on a coding platform, AI can help you find the solutions faster. Preparing for a technical interview, use AI to generate mock questions, review concepts, or refine your answers. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to enhance you, but only if you take the time to learn how to use it. The more you integrate AI into your workflow, the more efficient and effective you will be. So here's my advice. Master AI before it replaces you. The tools are here. And if you use them wisely, you'll stay ahead of the curve. Tackling work frustrations. But let's be real. Even when you land that job, work isn't always sunshine and rainbows. You'll have days where tasks feel repetitive, coworkers are difficult, and projects just don't excite you. So, how do you deal with that? First, shift your mindset. Instead of seeing problems as roadblocks, view them as an opportunities to grow. Every bug you fix, every difficult conversation you have, and every challenging project you tackle is making you better. Second, focus on progress, not perfection. You don't need to over-engineer the perfect solution. Get your code working, ship it, and improve it later. The same goes for work tasks. Done is better than perfect. Keep moving forward. And finally, remember that what you are doing is hard. Coding, solving complex problems, and building things from scratch isn't easy. If it were, everyone would do it, and it wouldn't be valuable. So cut yourself some slack. Celebrate your wins and keep pushing through the tough days. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with someone who might need a little motivation today. And as always, keep coding and keep growing. I'll see you in the next video.